introduce myself. My name is Dinara Baskanbayeva. I'm from Kazakhstan. I give you a presentation on the topic justification of an acceptable modern energy efficient methods of obtaining sodium silicate for production in Kazakhstan. The article discusses the methods of production of sodium silicate and sustains the possibility of organizing production in the Republic of Kazakhstan. As we have studied all the available experience in the production of sodium silicate, both now and in the past. At the stage of the research and analysis was made of the experience in the production of series and pilot sodium silicate in the USSR in the past, and in countries where development has not been suspended at the present time. All possible sources of raw materials of technological and natural origin were studies. Business trips and expedition to natural deposit were carried out, and samples of raw materials from various natural and made sources were delivered. Studies have been carried out that determine the available volumes of raw materials. You can see an object of the research, goal of the work methods, and the result of the work and the novelty. This traditional melting currently most class industry enterprises in the series countries use and of mixed with sodium sulfate for melting silicate blocks. The process of hardening of liquid glass is accompanied by the manifestation of adhesion properties to the quartz and filler, and is carried out with natural, for example, in air, or artificial, for example, heating, blowing warm air, drying of the mixture. In contrast to the manufacture of casting molds, in this process, it is necessary to avoid the destruction of the liquid glass base in order not to further reduce its solubility in water. You can see depends of the tensile strength of the contents of liquid glass. In addition, to achieve higher strength, first of all, it is necessary to achieve the most dense packing of sand grain, which in addition to molding pressure requires a certain grain size distribution and optimal viscosity of liquid glass. In the case, the depends of stride on the glass contents in the system passes through a sharp maximum. This depends is shown in this picture. The next, after the recovery boiler, the combustion products are neutralized in a wet scrubber. The high cost of glass melting furnaces of the bus type, which are used in glass factories with a capacity of 14 to 16 tons per day, is estimated at 2 and 3 million US dollars. This goes beyond the boundary conditions. Sodium silicate is a key source of reactive silicate, which is in high demand in many industries, including detergents, rubber, food and beverage, and paper and pulp. The global sodium silicate market was valued at 6.3 billion US dollars in 2018, growing at, you can see, growing at a SAGR of 3.2% during the forecast period 2020 and 2026 years. The next, you can see novelty and recommendation for implements, scope, and problems, solutions. Various technologies for melting sodium silicate have been studied, including by unconventional chemists such as smelting in cycles from furnace for melting in electric furnace, various chemists of energy-saving methods for melting sodium silicate were analyzed. Promising ones have been identified. The following types of sodium silicate production were analyzed in the study: traditional smelting, carbonate methods, wet methods, sodium chloride, sublimation methods, sulfate methods, cullet smelting. The optimal variant has been chosen, which makes it possible to reduce the cost of electricity by several times when introduction a highly efficient, innovative technology of electric melting into practice. Our research team has developed a patent for the design of the furnace, which uses energy-saving technology. This information about our patent will be available to everyone after registration for familiarization and study. And conclusion, the most likely to be used under the conditions of the task is the processing of a natural sodium surface. However, in terms of available this type of raw materials, despite its widespread distribution in Kazakhstan, is not suitable for solving this problem, since no one has the right to extract it. Therefore, the processing of recycled glass now in climate by the domestic industry can be a source of raw materials for the production of silicate blocks with a given cost at the level of 28 to 30,000 tenge per ton. The engineering and technical embodiment of melting can be cyclone melting, provided that the uses of or with gas purification is resolved, as well as melting in electric furnaces, provided that energy saving are ensured. Dear colleagues, thank you for attention. Bye-bye.